Here is a wonderful 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, remote engine start, electronic stability control, tow hooks, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, tire pressure monitoring system. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.